Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow light in Capcut. First, open your Capcut project and select the video clip you wish to edit. Navigate to the Effects tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, you will explore the various effect categories to find the perfect rainbow light option. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your colorful video transformation. Once in the Effects tab, look for categories like Light or Party to find rainbow-style effects. Capcut offers several options, so choose one that best fits your vision. After selecting, simply drag the effect onto your video timeline, positioning it above your main clip. You can adjust its duration by dragging the ends of the effect layer to match your desired segment. Now let's customize your rainbow light. Tap on the effect layer to reveal its settings. Here, you can adjust parameters like intensity, speed, and color variations. For dynamic movement, use keyframes to animate the effect's position or size over time. Don't forget to experiment with different blending modes, such as overlay or screen, to achieve a truly unique and integrated look for your video. To complete your rainbow light video, consider adding some upbeat music or fun sound effects to enhance the overall mood. Once you are satisfied with your creation, export your video in high definition, such as 1080p, to ensure the best quality. This will make your vibrant rainbow effects truly pop. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Share your colorful creations with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.